Hello, this is Chris. Now, I will show you some details of our H-beam welding machine. Now, in the view, this one is LMH type gantry welding machine for submerged arc welding. This machine can be equipped with 2 sets of submerged arc welding power. This is the welding arm. This is the arc guiding rack. Touch here. Now here you can see these 2 control boxes is for the welding power. This is from Chengdu Zhouxiang, the famous brand in China. And this one is for operation, for the gantry, for the flux recovery machine, for the welding arm up and down. For this kind of machine, we have 2 types. One type is LMH 4000. The other type is LMH 5000. For the smaller one, it is suitable for H-beam size with flange width in maximum 800 and web height 1.5 meter. And for the bigger type, it is suitable for H-beam size, web height 1.8 meter in maximum. These are the gantry type welding machine under installation, and some of them is finished, ready for delivery. And here, this is another type. We call it double cantilever type. Double cantilever type welding. This type of machine, you can see the welding arm is not limited by the gantry, so it can weld bigger beam size with web height reach 2 meters or more. And this one is with twin arc twin wire. You can see these 4 control box is used for the welding power. It is also from Chengdu Zhouxiang, the famous brand in China. And this control box for the gantry, for the welding arm, and for the flux recovery. You can just tell me your beam size, then I can recommend the suitable type of machine for you. The real span of this machine is 2 meters. Okay, our welding machine view is finished. If you need this kind of machine, please feel free to contact me. Bye bye.